Hey guys, Leo from JD Muscle here. Here we go again on another episode on the new BRZ and GR86. Today we have a silver example that came in for a STI style carbon fiber hood install. I'm going to include a link for the product down in the description section and make sure to check out all the other offerings that we have. Our carbon fiber hoods are vacuum infused, which means it fits better as well as a super nice and clean finish on the weave. Available in a variety of different weaves. In today's example, we have a regular 2x2, and this happens to be a two-sided one, in which case the underside is carbon fiber as well. Unlike most of the offerings online, you will have either a flat black or FRP underneath. So, if you're at a show that needs to pop the hood, it looks just as good underneath. On top of the regular 2x2 carbon fiber, these are also available in a variety of different weaves, including honeycomb, forged, camel carbon, and a variety of different other ones for your choice. Installation is fairly straightforward. I give it a 1 out of 5 difficulty rating. Literally 2 bolts on each side and you're ready to swap it out with the new hood. The only thing I want to mention here is, although our hood comes with the latch in the front, it is required to run a hood pin for better security, as the nature of the material itself tends to flex and it might fracture over time. So it applies to other hoods that we carry either from Saban or Viz Racing. Even though some manufacturers may not say so, it's highly recommended to get hood pins installed. Now without further ado, let's jump straight to the install. For the install, it's totally fine to use the power tool. Make sure it's the correct direction. Probably start off with just one turn, each one of them. I would set it aside for now, but once you uninstall the hood, you can actually twist it back so you don't lose it. Switching gears to the other side, exactly same thing. Now you can carefully remove the OEM hood. Now switching gears back to the carbon hood, most aftermarket ones will be held on by 2 woods with 2 bolts. Right now, you just need to remove the bolts and the wood, then you are ready for the car side. After removing them, have them in your hands and get ready to get them both back to the new hood. Now it's the time to get a third person because it's just a lot easier. Most of our carbon hoods are pretty good fitment, especially the dry carbon ones, but it's a handmade product. There's still room for error. I will start off by not tightening it all the way, just so in case we need to adjust it, there's still room for play. Use the 4 bolts, have both sides lined up first. Make sure this is not at an angle, but flush with the surface. When you're putting the bolts on, make sure this surface touches the hood, not at an angle. You want to do the 2 of them kind of evenly before bolting it down. Always start with tightening it down with hand in case you're gonna strip the threads. Till you can't do it, then you can finish off with a wrench. Just want to tighten it just enough so there's no play, but still leave a little wiggle room for us to test fitment. Like I said, because the nature of the material, always better off with the hand tool, but we're just gonna lightly get this on, then finish off. Finger tight would be good. Then we gonna do the other side too. Check fitment before bolting it down. Once these are kind of tight, you can start dropping it down. You want to pay attention to 2 sides in case it is rubbing against the fender, also this corner. But I think we should be pretty good with ours. Just drop it down slowly. Now you can check gaps on all sizes. Looks super even with ours. But in case you have one side maybe a little more than the other, you can lose those bolts, kind of move it a little bit, then push it down. In other cases, if the hood you got from somewhere else is not really fitting that correctly, there's also the option for you to loosen the bolts on the fender and kind of push it in to line that fitment a little better. All right, once you're happy with the fitment, you can go ahead and tighten those bolts. My recommendation is, if the hood like ours come with the metal threads in there, instead of try to over tighten it, use a little Loctite so it will stay there. Just do a little more than finger tight, then maybe another half of a turn so it will stay in place and it will never come out. And as for today, we are not going to install the hood pins, but like I said earlier in the video, it is required for anything carbon fiber. And that's it for today's video. Make sure you stay tuned in for future GR86 for BRZ ZNA contents. We'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.